Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes from Peppa Pig. This easy method uses just a few simple ingredients you likely have at home. We will combine 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 egg, and 1 cup of milk to create a delightful batter. Get ready to whip up some fun and delicious treats that everyone will love in no time at all. Now, let's create our pancake batter. First, whisk 1 egg and 1 cup of milk together until well combined. In a separate, larger bowl, mix 1 cup of self-rising flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook our delicious pancakes. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a tiny bit of butter or oil. Once warm, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbly. Flip them carefully to ensure even cooking and a perfect finish. Your wonderful Peppa Pig pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Stack them high on a plate and add your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream are all fantastic choices. These easy-to-make pancakes are perfect for a fun breakfast or a special treat. Enjoy every delicious bite with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.